Today we will show you how a chocolate is made and how we prepare it. Watch our video till the end and see the complete chocolate making process. Let's go!
You may now enter the factory.
They take the eggs out of the water tub and place them aside. Then they break the eggs and pour the liquid inside into another
They are taking the yellow egg liquid from here and pouring it into a roller machine, which is mixing it by rotating and blending it thoroughly. They are taking the yellow egg liquid from here and pouring it into a roller machine, which is mixing it by rotating and blending it thoroughly.
They are taking this mixed dough and putting it into another machine, which is mixing it further.
Some scientists take this black-colored chocolate mixture to a lab, where they are testing it and applying chemicals to it.
Just wait for 5 minutes.
All right. Are you almost done with that batch?
Yeah, almost.
These chocolate pieces pass through the machines and come out one by one, fully packed in the Festival Bar packets, and the camera is moving along with them.
Watch the edge with that jack. Got it. Clear on the left. Bring it in.